On this website, you can see there are some pictures and the text written on these pictures. I want to get rid of this text and I need only this picture. In this video, I'll teach you how you can save this picture without this text. Alright, you need to have Canva. First, right click and save this picture, save image as. I'm gonna rename it test, downloads and save. Now, here is the picture and you can see that this picture has text. Open Canva and go to any thumbnail size because I'm gonna make it a thumbnail in the future. Alright, so here is your canvas. Here you can simply copy paste or import, go to uploads and here upload a file, go to downloads and here is our test file. Alright, so here is the picture. I'm gonna drag it to this canvas. And now I just zoom a little bit to show you that it's not only text. If I click here and drag it, it's not just the text, it's the picture and text. Well, this feature is on Canva Pro, and if you want to have a lifetime subscription on Canva Pro, then DM me. I can help you for that. I'm going to add a new page and here is the picture now. This new page we will be extracting text. Alright, so here is the picture. Now go to edit and here is grab text option and it's on the Canva Pro. As you can see, small Canva Pro option. And now I press this one. It will take some time. Boom, here you go. Now your text is here. I just go there and change the background of this image and now the text is grabbed. Now the picture is there without text. Alright, now you can just easily go and save this picture without text. Use it anywhere you like. You might be thinking that this text was quite easy. There were no complications. But what about this text? It can do the complicated text as well. Go to this edit option again. Grab the text. Here we go. Now text is there anywhere. Not only just grabbing the text, you can rename text. Let's say click fix. Alright, here I can rename it a thick and I can now place it anywhere I like. So this one is also here. Thanks. Right, now I can drag this one to this place it anywhere I like. Before it was a picture. So this is how you can easily grab the text from any complicated picture inside Canva using AI features, and you can also go change whatever you want to do with this text. Once again, if you want to have lifetime subscription for Canva Pro, then write in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.